Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 320d Touring in Estral Blue here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a little walk around the outside of the car and talk you through some of the features and options. Starting of course with the outside of the car, where you see we have fitted the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house. So on this particular vehicle we've gone for the satin front splitter, gloss black kidney grills, and we have got the 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels in the original reflex silver colour. It benefits from having the LED daytime running lights. Down the side we've got the satin side vinyls and M Performance decals. This vehicle has the privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we have the black Dakota leather with the exclusive stitching. It also has electric lumbar adjustment on both front passenger seats. Estral blue trim inserts on door card and dashboard display, along with the aluminium hexagon trim dashboard and centre console piece. Once again running through the exclusive stitching on the rear seats, and of course it is all ISOFIX ready in the rear. Moving round to the rear, where you'll find the satin rear diffuser, and of course being the Touring it benefits from having the automatic opening and closing tailgate, where you will also find the velour floor mats, factory fit tourniquet cover and factory fit dog guard. Another useful feature on the 3 Series Touring is the split glass tailgate, so you can just open up the glass portion there. The Estral Blue works very well with the black of the performance kit and the silver of the alloy wheels. Also works very nicely to have the privacy glass on the Estral Blue, just for that looks, as well as the security that it does add having privacy glass. Okay, so moving on into the vehicle, where we have the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. We also have the 7-speed automatic gearbox, BMW's business navigation and media, rear parking sensors as you've seen there, Bluetooth communications and media, DAB radio, and of course a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. We have got cruise control function, speed limiter function, voice control, volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 105,000. However, the vehicle is in fantastic condition and it is backed up with full BMW service history, which can be viewed on the vehicle status and iDrive. As you can see there, everything is in green in the service requirements, and it's not due an engine oil change for 6,000 miles. And the other important service items are all in green as well. Front brakes 36,000 until replacement is required. Rear brake pads is 36 as well. And your vehicle inspection, which is all your other filters, is not due till the 11th of 2020, so plenty of time in that. Going into the service history record, first service, second, third, and all the way up to there, right all the way up till the most recent service, which was carried out fairly recently on the 22nd of the 8th month 2019 at 98,000 miles, so fairly recently. That service was carried out, it had front and rear brakes, so that's when it had its front and rear brakes, and the service before that would have been the engine oil change, as you can see there. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the little walk around video for the 320d in Estral Blue Touring. A very clean and tidy car, especially considering it has over that 100,000 mark now. However, it is backed up by the full service history, and it is a very clean and tidy example. Finished off with the Your Next Car Performance Kit. It does look a absolutely stunning treat. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful, and of course more to the point, we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care and goodbye.